do you experience the knowing doing gap in order to get your business off? Basically, you know what you need to do in order to get your business off the ground, but for somehow you haven't been able to do it yet. It can appear like maybe you have quite a number of things you need to do and you don't know where to start. Perhaps you have started something but never able to complete it, or maybe you don't know why you're never able to find the time in order to get started on the stuff related to your business. Well, I used to be in your situation, and it takes me forever to get my business able to kick off. Have you ever thought how it's gonna be like when you have these issues resolved once and for all? Imagine having your imagine having never have to worry about motivation for having a productivity because you start getting the momentum. Or how about start achieving that milestone of customer, client, customer, income, or followers, um, or, and then or maybe like slowly replacing your 9 to 5 income with business income. Well, if you're like most people, you know exactly what you need to do, but for somehow you haven't been able to get going on it. Let me break down for you the main 4 things that are stopping you from getting that to happen. The first thing is planning. So you might know what you need to do, but for somehow there's no proper system, proper plan. So in that case, these actions never get being executed, um, or they just keep coming. The second thing is time management. So you, if you don't even plan for some action to be done at what time, or actually set out time to focus on working something, then maybe your previous time can be wasted for other activities that are not important. And in that stage, you always feel like there's a lot of things that you need to do, and you get kind of overwhelmed. The third thing is the rewards or motivation. So when you work for someone, they pay you, and those are kind of like a motivation to get you doing the work. However, when you do the business for your business, you might not get paid for it, and it can demoralize your motivation as you don't want to focus on it as you don't get paid for it, which is something that can actually delay your process. And the final thing is the fourth is the accountability. Basically, someone needs to make sure you do what you promise to do. And when you're in the business, that person is you. So you can be easy for yourself. You can let yourself go if you don't meet a deadline, or you don't take any much of a punishment because you allow yourself not to go for that. And in that case, it can create a lot of delaying in the whole process. Alright, so I used to have these issues myself as well, and at that point, like, the business wasn't doing as well as I would like it to be. And so, having realized that, I was able to slowly start looking on the solution to each of the problems, the right one. And as I was able to resolve them one by one, I started getting my business kick off and started getting the traction. I started getting the ads out, and all the things to attract clients and everything like that. So having been through these issues myself, I know exactly how it's like, and I'm confident I can help you with your situation. So I have a free romantic cycle where I can discover your current situation and work out a customized plan for you. So if you want, book a free call with me and we can get started on it. So if you wonder why it's free, the reason is we're doing a freemium model like Gmail and Zoom. They deliver a great service for free and a small number of people. After what's called a premium, that's exactly the same for us. So wanting to start building that productivity and slowly gaining that momentum, meeting your milestone, replacing your 9 to 5 income with your business income. Book a free call and let's get started. I'll see you soon.